Now I'm going to tell you about the benefits of honey. It soothes a sore throat. It's an old remedy. A spoon of honey acts as cough suppressant. If you have dry cough or throat is dry, you can have a teaspoon of honey, and it's better to have raw honey without any pesticides or chemically produced product. Honey helps in protecting your body from cell damage due to free radicals. It acts as antioxidant. It has antioxidant properties. It naturally contains hydrogen peroxide, which is termed as antiseptic. It contains phytonutrients, acts as antibacterial and antifungal, and immune boosting and anti-cancer properties also. It is always better to consume pure honey, as heavy chemical processing destroys the valuable nutrients in honey or any other product. Honey is considered as natural sugar as it provides natural sweetness. You can try Jandu honey. Now it has different flavors also. Patanjali honey also you can use, but I prefer Jandu honey as I believe to be natural. I have consumed that honey with cinnamon, lemon and green tea combination. Even it's very good to consume. I'm just telling you my own experience. I was having severe cold and cough. I have taken too many medicines and also it wasn't so useful for me. It didn't benefit me. I decided to switch to pure things. I was having dry cough too, and as it acts as a cough suppressant, I consumed 1 teaspoon of honey in warm water, and it is also said that it increases the metabolic rate. Now let's come to lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C, which is good for immunity. One can make herbal tea made up of lime juice, ginger, warm water. Ginger tea helps in relieving headache, helps to reduce fever. It keeps your body warm, has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. It is useful in colds and speeds up the recovery in markets. Nowadays green tea is available with lemon and honey combination, which is useful for cold and cough. If you want to make herbal tea by adding honey, don't add it in very hot water as it is considered as poisonous by some chemical reaction. When mixed in hot water, it secretes some compounds. Honey itself is very warm. If you believe in social work, it does not have to be always in monetary terms. You can give good suggestions to people which would be beneficial for others in their problems. You can also share this video so that they would know how to prevent themselves from this viral infection. Our hard work is there in making this video and sharing all the information with you. We try to research in depth, in detail, so that we provide you good knowledge and make you aware of the benefits of natural ingredients. By giving a like, we are encouraged to make new crucial videos and share good information with you all. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that, as it may happen that the person who has shared this video might not get this video shared by the other person. So to get the notification instantly to get new updates, please subscribe to my channel. Below in the description box I have mentioned the links about the natural ingredients benefits with side effects too. You can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter too. As I am active on Instagram, if you have any queries, you can drop a message there. I will definitely answer your queries within 1 or 2 days.